This is the tutorial to assemble 24 units of Sonobe. The polyhedron that will be forming will be called a gyro elongated square bipyramid. And we will start off by building a square pyramid first. So take two pieces, assemble like this. And take the third one, make it a triangle. And this is imagine as one side of the pyramid. Just make 3 more sides. This is the second one. Second face, third face goes here in this direction. This one. And once you have 3 faces, combine these two together, and you will get the third one here. Now we have our square pyramid. If you look at like this is the top. We have a square pyramid like this. Now the tricky part would be to connect the middle portion here like this. For the middle portion, we will building for each of these point here. We will build 3 more triangles. So let's connect this one first, like this. Make a triangle. And the top is here. Look here, we have made one triangle here. So we will need two more here. So you will be just adding one piece at the middle, like this. This is partially completed triangle. Add one here and one here. Now always try to remember where is the top. Top is here just now. We have added 3 triangles here. So if you rotate over, this is the second part. And we will need to make 3 triangles. So we have already one here. So let's just add 2 more. To add 2 more, insert one in the middle like this. This is partially completed. So add one more here and one more here. So back to the top, we have completed this side and this side. And if we turn again, let's continue on. Add 2 more triangles. So to add 2 more triangles, insert one in the middle. Insert here like this. This is partially completed. Add one here and one here. Now, if you look here at this last part, you will see that two of the pyramids have been constructed. We will just need to add one more piece, complete the tree here. Now look back at the top here. We have now actually have completed all the sides, the middle layer here. You see it forms a middle layer. And we have four more pieces left. For the four more pieces, we will just need to construct the top pyramid, the square pyramid at the top. And for this one, just insert it here like this. Here, this one like this. And this one have to close up this triangle at the top. This one goes here. This one goes like this. Goes here. And finally, this one goes the last piece. Then we have a gyro elongated square bipyramid. You will see the pyramid at the top here and the bottom here. And it's actually gyro elongated. It's actually twisted. And we have this middle layer here.